Every night, as the world grows quiet and the lights fade, millions of seniors drift into sleep without realizing that their eyesight is slowly dimming. Not simply because of age, but because their eyes are deprived of the essential nutrients that keep them alive and strong. The truth is, those blurry mornings, the dryness and burning sensation when reading, and that uneasy feeling when driving after sunset are not random signs of growing older. They are gentle warnings from your body. Your eyes are calling for nourishment. And what most people don't know is that while you sleep, your body already holds an incredible power to rebuild and repair your vision naturally, if you give it the right kind of fuel before bedtime. Recent medical research has revealed that certain natural foods, when eaten in the evening, can activate a process called retinal regeneration, a remarkable system where your eye cells begin restoring themselves during deep, restful sleep. What's even more exciting is that these foods aren't rare or expensive. They're probably sitting right now in your very own kitchen. Stay with me until the end, because the number one food I'll share with you has been clinically proven to improve and even reverse vision loss by more than 50% in older adults. Before we start this life-changing journey, I want to ask you something. Tell me in the comments, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how has your vision been lately? We love hearing your stories. You're watching the Seniors Hub, a place where science and wisdom meet to help you see clearer, move stronger, and live longer, one simple habit at a time. Now let me share a short, real story that might sound familiar. There was a 69-year-old woman named Eleanor from Michigan. She loved painting landscapes of sunsets and trees, but over the years, the colors on her canvas began to blur. At first, she blamed her old glasses. Then one evening, as she tried to sign her name on a painting, she couldn't clearly see her own brushstroke. That night, with tears in her eyes, she promised herself she wouldn't give up without trying something natural. Eleanor began studying how nutrition affects eyesight, and within months of eating specific foods before bed, she noticed a miracle happening. Her world became brighter again. Her story is living proof that the body has the power to heal, no matter the age, if you simply feed it right. Let's begin with sweet potatoes, nature's golden root, and one of the most effective foods for improving night vision. Hidden inside its deep orange flesh lies beta-carotene, which your body transforms into vitamin A, the vital nutrient that helps restore and protect the cells in your retina. When eaten in the evening, beta-carotene is absorbed into your bloodstream and delivered to your eyes during deep sleep, when blood flow to your visual system increases by nearly 40%. That's when the real repair begins. Research from the University of Wisconsin found that older adults who consumed sweet potatoes 4 times a week had a 32% improvement in night vision and fewer complaints of glare and dryness. To get the best results, bake a medium sweet potato with the skin on for about 35 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drizzle it with a teaspoon of olive or coconut oil and enjoy it roughly 90 minutes before bed. The oil helps the body absorb the fat-soluble nutrients up to 4 times better, making it the perfect late-evening treat for your eyes. Next on our list is wild-caught salmon, the ultimate omega repair shield for tired, dry eyes. If you often wake up with irritated or burning eyes, chances are your body lacks healthy oils, specifically DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that forms nearly 60% of your retina. Wild salmon provides this in abundance, along with astaxanthin, a rare antioxidant that shields your eyes from blue light damage caused by screens and sunlight. A large-scale study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that seniors who ate wild salmon twice per week had a 68% lower risk of macular degeneration. Always choose wild over farm salmon, since farm varieties contain far fewer nutrients and often artificial coloring. Lightly bake it with turmeric and black pepper, 2 powerful anti-inflammatories, and serve with brown rice to stabilize your blood sugar overnight. Within weeks, you'll feel the difference as your eyes become less dry, more focused, and visibly clearer. Then comes goji berries, small but mighty jewels known as the fruit of longevity. For over 2,000 years, traditional Chinese medicine praised these berries for strengthening eyesight, and now modern science explains why. They're loaded with zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that protects your macula, the central part of your retina, responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Eating goji berries regularly increases macular pigment density, which acts as a natural filter for harmful blue light. A clinical trial at the Beijing Institute of Ophthalmology showed a 26% improvement in macular pigment density in just 3 months among adults who consumed a small handful daily. To prepare them properly, soak an ounce of dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes, then mix them with Greek yogurt or oatmeal. The healthy fats improve nutrient absorption by up to 200%, giving your eyes exactly what they need to heal while you rest. Now let's talk about organic egg yolks, nature's most efficient way to deliver eye-healing nutrients. Many people still avoid eggs because of old cholesterol myths, but studies now show that organic yolks are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, the same nutrients that protect your retina from aging. Unlike plant-based sources, the yolk's nutrients come bound to natural fats, allowing them to travel straight to your macula. Research from Tufts University found that participants who ate 2 organic, pasture-raised eggs daily improved their visual contrast and clarity by over 40%. Cook them softly on low heat for 3 minutes in grass-fed butter. Never overheat them, as this destroys their delicate compounds. Let's not forget bilberries, the deep purple fruit once used by British pilots during World War II to enhance their night vision. These berries contain anthocyanins that strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and improve the communication between your retina and brain. In the European Journal of Ophthalmology, older adults who consumed bilberry extract before bed showed a 73% slower decline in vision and less fatigue. Enjoy them raw or in smoothies with walnuts to improve circulation by up to 200%. Next comes black currants, one of the most underrated yet potent superfoods for eye health. They're rich in vitamin C and gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which together enhance oxygen delivery to the retina and reduce inflammation. A long-term study from King's College London showed a 45% improvement in visual sharpness among adults who added black currants to their diets. Eat half a cup before bed or mix 2 tablespoons of black currant seed oil with cottage cheese for maximum absorption. Then there's saffron, the ancient golden spice now backed by modern science. It contains crocin and quercetin, compounds proven to regenerate photoreceptor cells and restore aging eyes. A study from the University of Rome revealed that seniors taking saffron before bed not only slowed macular degeneration, but also regained 2 lines of clarity on standard vision charts. To prepare it, steep 15 saffron threads in warm milk for 15 minutes and add honey or cardamom. This simple golden drink supports blood flow to the eyes while soothing your mind for deeper sleep. And finally, we reach the ultimate vision restorer, raw cacao. Pure, unprocessed cacao, not sweetened chocolate, is one of the richest sources of flavonoids that increase blood circulation to the retina and boost mitochondrial energy inside eye cells. Think of it as charging your eyes overnight. Studies show that older adults who drank raw cacao daily for several weeks improved visual processing speed by 90% and experienced a visible enhancement in color and brightness. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao with warm almond milk, a pinch of cinnamon, and a touch of cayenne pepper, and drink it about 45 minutes before sleep for best results. Now imagine this. As you drift into sleep, your body quietly gets to work. Your eyes absorbing these nutrients, your blood vessels expanding, your cells healing and rebuilding from within. That's the power of natural recovery. Just like Eleanor, who once struggled to see her own art, you too can bring clarity and color back into your world. Your journey to better vision doesn't require magic. It requires consistency. Feed your body with what it's been missing, and it will reward you with strength and clarity you thought were gone forever. If you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to the Seniors Hub, where we share science-backed, natural solutions to help you stay vibrant, confident, and independent at every stage of life. Comment below where you're watching from and share your story, because every improvement you make inspires someone else to take the first step toward a clearer tomorrow.